So guys, what I'm holding in my hand right here is a $100 bill, and this $100 bill was paid to me of recent from one of my side hustle. And what if I tell you can make 10x of this amount of money using the side hustle ideas I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video? Well, it sounds funny, but it's true. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys side hustle ideas that will pay you legit money in a legit way. Now, this is not just another making money online videos, but a real video that will teach you some of the side hustles that will legitimately pay you without you doing anything bad. But before I get started, I would like to first of all welcome you all to my channel, Markkings Student Club, a home of so many opportunities, both financial opportunities and academic opportunities. And if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, I am Markkings, your host. And please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because this is just a simple way you can support the good work we are doing on my channel. And before I forget, I also do giveaway in most of my videos, and this video I'm also going to be doing another giveaway. So for you to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end, like and comment on the comment section, and then I'm going to be choosing a random person to gift real money on my channel as I used to do it. Now, without further ado, let's get right to the video. So the first side hustle on my list is the Listverse write and get paid platform. So this is the first major platform that paid me my $100 some days ago. I just joined it some days ago. So this platform is a publishing company where people come to read diverse information on different topics. They also pay people to articulate their thoughts on paper. And as you can see, according to the statement made on their platform, do you want to earn any money online? Listverse has built on the efforts of readers like you, readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put all their list together and send it in. So continue with the statement. You can see where they wrote it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in, we reply and say great. We'll publish it and then send you $100 by PayPal. So you don't even need to be a writer for you to even join this platform and earn your money. And then the money they are paying you is just for your effort of putting list down and then submitting it to them. So you don't need to panic about writing, because everything you're going to be writing and putting up as a list will be very easy, simple and clear. So how does this platform works? So this platform works in a simple way. So here is how it works. So first off, you need to put down a well-written article and well-edited article. Then after you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is to head on to the submission form, which the link is there already. The next thing you're going to do is just to click on it, and then you'll get yourself on this page. So this is the page where you're going to make your submission after you've written your article. So you need to follow the guidelines. There are places where you're going to fill forms and then put your articles which you are going to upload before you get paid. This is just the area where you're going to put your personal information, just like your name or your nickname. Then the second part is where you put your email. They will keep it private, don't worry. The third part is where you're going to put your PayPal email address. So the PayPal email address you are putting is what they're going to be using to pay you, and then your author's blog and the rest. So coming down a little bit, scrolling down a little bit, is where you're going to be uploading your written article, from the title to the introduction to your article, which is very important, then to the body of the article, which is around 1,500 to 2,000 words, which you need to write. Then after you're done filling up this form the way it's supposed to be, and then accepting their terms and conditions, then the next thing you're going to do is to click on submit list, and then you are done. In case you don't have the slightest clue of the kind of article you need to write, this is the template of the kind of article you need to write. You mustn't be on this kind of topic. You can leverage on any other kind of topic except from sports. So all you need to do is to write your listicle kind of topic and then publish it, and that's all. So the number 2 side hustle you should try out is Branded Survey. Branded Survey is a company that pays you for your opinions and questions you answer that comes in form of survey. So how this website works is very simple. All you need to do is to visit their website at brandedsurvey.com and then head on to register. So one good thing I love about this company is their payment method. So they can pay you in so many ways, both with PayPal, direct bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, including Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, and so many other ways. So all you need to do is to take surveys, and then once your payment time has reached, then they pay you in any way you choose. So for you to register on this website, all you need to do is very simple. Head on to their front page and then click on the join now button located in the front page. Then I'm going to be using my Google account to sign up here. Sign up with Google account. Then after that, I'm going to be choosing one of my emails to sign up with. And then I will click on continue to complete my sign up. So this is it. Then from here, I will continue my registration as fast and as soon as possible to start making money from this website. So once you are done with the registration and accepting of terms and conditions, then we click on submit. So right now we are done in our registration. So this is the main website right here. So this is all you need to do to start earning money from this website. So let's get into the main website to start earning money immediately. So moving to the dashboard here, we've already earned our first 50 points just by registration, and you can see right there. This is our first 50 points. So first thing first, I will start by taking my first survey to earn money from this website. So I will click on take survey right there. So this is my first survey. The survey lasts for 5 minutes, and the survey will give me another 50 points for taking it. So here is the survey. So without wasting much of your time, all you need to do is to just read and then answer the questions. Once you read the survey, then you answer the question thrown at you there from the brackets given to you. I mean from the option, sorry, given to you. So this is how you start answering the survey. Let me just head on and answer the survey as fast as possible. All you need to do is to keep watching this video to see how I answer this survey completely. And while you answer this survey, make sure you are genuine with your answers. Don't just answer it because of answering sake. Just make sure you are genuine with your answers, and then that's it. So I'll keep answering the question till the question finishes. I think the question is around 15 or 20 questions, but I'm going to be answering it before I can redeem my 50 points to make it 100 points on this website. So I'm done with answering the questions from this survey. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit survey. So I've earned my 50 points successfully without any problem. So let me go back to my dashboard to see my 50 points. So this is it. I've gotten a total of 100 points since registering from this website now. So this is the first major thing you're going to be doing on this site, which is taking of survey to earn money. It's very simple and clear. So apart from that, there are other things you can do to earn money from this website. But before then, let me show you everything about redeeming your prize from this website. So this is my dashboard right here. So the 100 points that I've gotten since registering on this website is equal to $1, which means that every 100 points equals to $1, and we only need just 500 points for which to redeem our prize, which is $5. So, and you have already seen how simple it is for you to even get 50 points. So getting 500 points will be a simple something. So now, once you get it, all you need to do is to request for your payout, and then you will get paid immediately. Now let's get back to other ways which you can earn money from this website. Another simple way which you can earn money from this website is through referral program. I mean, inviting your friends. So for you to invite your friends to earn money from this website, all you need to do is to copy this link that you see there and then share it with your friends and family. Then once anybody signs up to this website with your link, then you get another point. So another way you can earn points is through branded elite. In the branded elite, you'll be ranked according to how consistent you are with your survey. And you can see the three stages there: earn your badge, grow your account, collect your bonus. So these are the three stages you need to go to for you to rank higher and then get weekly bonus on your points to earn higher money from these surveys. So that's it. So the next feature in this website is the leaderboard feature. So the leaderboard feature enables you to earn more points from this website by ranking on the weekly leaderboard. So the next feature again in this website, which is the last but not the least feature, is the offers. So this offers is one of the biggest feature in this website where you can earn points. I mean the most points from this website. So in this feature, you play games to earn points, and you can earn points as big as 9,164 points from this particular game right here. So this game is up to 130 points depending on the kind of game you want to play. You can earn higher points playing all these games, and all you need to do to get started with the game is just click on any of the games you want to play, install it, follow the prompt, and then do whatever it is they ask you to do in the game for you to gain your points. And that's how simple it is. So the next side hustle on my list is called user testing. So user testing is a website where you can earn money by testing apps. When I mean apps, I mean mobile applications. So it's very simple. The URL for this website is called usertesting.com. So this is it. So all you need to do in this website for you to get started is just submit your email address in the email box presented to you in the front page of the website. So once you submit it, the next thing for you to do is to take a quick practice test to join the global network of trusted contributors around the world. So taking that test will enable you and then make you eligible to earn money from this website. So once you are done with it, then you are eligible to make money from this website. Now note, there are so many opportunities for you to make money from this website. Aside from testing, you can make money from this website doing surveys. You already know what survey is. I won't be stretching much on that one. So you earn money from this side. Aside from testing apps, you earn money from this website doing surveys. So another way which you can earn money from this website is through record test. Complete tasks while speaking your thoughts aloud with screen, audio, and sometimes recording tests are taken on mobile or desktop device on your own time. So this is another way which you can earn money from this website through record test. So the last but not the least method which you can earn money from the user testing website is through live conversation with the user testing live support. So here is how it works. You get a chance to chat with a user testing customer via video call. During this designated time, share your thoughts about products and experiences. So the last but not the least side hustle in my list is Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is a website where you get to take survey to earn money. So this is just pretty simple, just like the branded survey. Or this one is just a little bit different, but you make money the same way you earn money from the branded survey. All you need to do is to head on to their website, the official website, which is swagbucks.com, and then register, which is by signing up and then start earning money immediately. Just know that the only way you can redeem your prize in this website after earning money from this website is through PayPal, Walmart, or any other kind of gift cards like Apple gift card and the rest. So that is all you need to know about this side hustle on the video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned a lot from this video right here. So coming to the giveaway, if you watched to this point, congratulations, you have gotten yourself the chance to get a giveaway from me. So all you need to do is to like and share this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section. Once I comment under your comment, just know that you are one of those who are the winners of my videos giveaway. So thanks for watching once again, guys, and bye for now.